Now, it is literally a group of notes or a section of a song, usually separated with space, and you kind of want to approach this like storytelling. So if you are talking to someone and telling them a story, you're naturally going to put spaces in between your phrases when you're telling a story. You want to apply the same style to your horn playing. And so it's almost like telling a story through your instrument. I'm going to give you a little example. Sounds something like this. And so you can hear in each phrase, I separated it with silence. But I sort of told a story through the entire segment. So when you are soloing, try to incorporate phrasing. It will make your solos sound a little more intriguing. And that is phrasing.